Alright, we're back with another tutorial here. We have a Bronco, brand new one, as you can see. What we're going to be doing here is a little bit different than our normal tutorials. We have a design from a client that was already sent, as you can see. Very cool design. And what we're going to be doing is putting it onto our Bronco template and have it just ready to go for print, size it up, proof it, and call it a day. So we're going to start on the driver's side here first. I'm going to come over to the left side. And from here, it looks like everything is in a pretty good spot. This was the template they used, pretty accurate. And so I'm going to take these layers. Actually, I'm going to take all the layers just to be sure myself, because I don't think it's sized. Come down to our driver's side. Still working with bad rap templates here. And this appears to be sized a little bit too big. I'm going to go ahead and transform. And so from here, it looks like everything fits as it needs to, which is great. I still have my bleed up top, I still have my bleed on the bottom, bleed on the sides, which is fantastic. Let this transform, turn my layers off, see where they land. Looks to be pretty good. So this one's good to go. Next. The other side, I will just flip this and I will do it that way. So we'll get rid of them. Actually, we won't yet. Hood, same thing. Take all of my layers. Come in here, go to the hood. Top, I already rotated this canvas. Paste it. This appears to be the right size. Just center it. Looks good. On to the next. I'm going to delete. I'm going to save this. And I'll save it as an updated version. We'll say updated. Let that load. Okay. Save that. Come in here, do the same thing. Save that. Now I can get rid of these. Okay, fantastic. This is the perf on the rear of the vehicle. So right here, I'm going to go to my rear. This appears to be the right size, maybe. A little bit on the big side. It's fine. I'm going to nest him in there nice. Yep. So if we're right there, that's good. He'll peek out. Here's a cool little trick. Turn that off. I'm going to go into my window perf. That is not it. This one. Yep, there it is. Perfect. So I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to color it with my paintbrush. This is a simple masking trick. And yep, there it is. Okay. And now I should be able to mask the design. I'm going to make a copy of him because groups do not get masked. I'm going to merge this group. And I'm not sure. There he is. Okay, disable that, and mask, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to select my group, transform it again, make sure that these letters on top, I don't want all of them, I want everything except for the mask, there it is, yep, transform. Make my hair smaller, bring them up, that one's good to go, okay, have that, so this I can save now. And put this into the updated folder. Okay. Now we can get out. So now we have the back. Now this, I'm not sure where this came from, but I will show a quick tip. If you are in Photoshop 2026, you will have the ability to click this, hit remove, and see if it does its job. It might make these words into gibberish, but at the same time, it may not. We're going to find out. That's good enough for me because this area is not being wrapped. We're going to take these layers, copy them, go into the rear. We're going to go behind the perf, paste it, scale it down a little bit because it's not supposed to be that big. And there you have that. So now we have this side, and our top. The roof will more than likely be wrapped. I will make sure that with the client before I proceed further with the roof. Now we have our passenger, so I'm going to update this. I'm going to say updated working files. Sorry for that cut there. I'm going to have this side saved, save this, and save this under the updated folder. I'll say updated. And save this one under the updated folder. Typically I'll name these V1, V2 for version 1, version 2, but as of right now it's fine because we know that this is more than likely going to be approved since they sent us the final design. So from here, I want to recreate this passenger side. I think I already X'd it out, which is fine. But we are going to take this driver side, and this is the trick that I use every time. This way I know my placement is exact. Put it image rotation, flip canvas horizontal. Let it load. There it goes. Now I have everything I need. I will take this, make sure my transform tools come up, right click it, make sure I'm not on transform, Control T, transform, right click, flip horizontal, click off, click this layer, click this layer, click this layer, Control T for transform, flip horizontal, and now I'm set. So from here, I'm going to take an old job that I've already done a proof for, which it appears I don't have one right now. So we can go to let's just do this one because I know that this has a good proof. Okay, perfect. So that's fine. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. And I will put this as a screenshot. Copy it. Paste it. Do the same thing for my rear. Paste it. Come back to my now passenger side. copy it, screenshot it. Oh, I did realize something. I'm glad I caught it. This background layer needs to be flipped because the words are backwards. There it is. Just drag it over. All right. Glad I caught that. That could have been bad. This gets screenshotted. Paste it. And now, since I already have my other driver's side here, what I can do is I can save this. As it was already labeled passenger, I'll save it passenger working. I'll say updated. And then I can just undo because I already had my driver's side set up. That's good. Copy that. Put this into here. Now that I have a professional looking proof, come here, say Bigfoot Bronco. I believe it's a 2023 Bronco. It's not a coupe, so I don't know if you'd call this a crew cab, 4x4. So from there, I typically save this as a proof. Gotta go back to my original proofs. Bigfoot Bronco proof 2. And then I like to come in and do save a copy. Save it as a JPEG. And do that. And there you have it. In the next video, I'll break this up for print and make sure that you can see how I grid everything out. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.